welcome back to my channel. I'm the student. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beautiful upcoming videos. So in this video, I'll teach you how to make mustard leaf dish in Buddhist style. It's very simple again, easy to cook, though this delicious. So let me quickly introduce you to today's ingredients. So I've well sorted mustard leaf ready to wash, and red chilies. You can use either red chili or green chili, or even you can go for dry chilies. Cherry tomatoes, you can go for another one as well, and garlic, and small piece of ginger. First thing first, I'm gonna cut them and we'll come back to this later, okay? I'm going to cut into slices. I'm going to slice them. If you want to chop them, you can chop it. Finally, we're going to cut those cherry tomatoes. Our cutting part is done. We're going to rinse mustard leaf. Before that, I'm gonna soak them in the hot water for 1 to 2 minutes. The reason behind this is that it removes some bitterness from them, so helps to remove the dirt from them quickly, which saves a lot of time while in rinsing. Yeah, that's it. It's hot. We are gonna use spatula for putting them inside, and leave it for 1 minute. Here is my. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and wait for oil to heat up. The oil is well heated. I'm gonna reduce the heat before adding other ingredients. Fry them until they start to soften. Now I'm adding garlic and ginger. As soon as you smell the aroma, you can add chilies. Fry them for few minutes. Now you can turn back the flame to high. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. If you think your dish is burning, you can always make it small. Make the flame small, and if you think that there is need of high heat, then you can increase the heat. Now I'm going to add mustard leaf, a little bit of salt, as I've already added some. I'm not going to add much, and mix it well. After mixing well, add cheese. Now cover it and cook until cheese melts well. Now as you can see, cheese is already melted. yeah, there you go. It's looking so delicious. Yeah, that's it. I hope you like it.